Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. In this lesson, we will explore two words that confuse many English learners: accept and accept. These words sound similar, but they have completely different meanings. By the end of this video, you will understand when to use each word correctly. Let's start by learning the basic meanings of these two words. Accept means to receive something willingly or to agree to take something that is offered to you. Accept means to not include something or to exclude something from a group. Notice the difference. Accept is about receiving, while accept is about leaving something out. Accept has three main meanings. First, it means to receive something willingly. For example, when someone gives you a gift and you take it, you accept the gift. Second, it means to agree to take something that is offered to you. Third, it means to believe that something is true. When you accept something as true, you believe it without questioning it. Accept has a different meaning. It means not including or leaving something out. You can also use accept as a conjunction, which means but. For example, if you say everyone came to the party except John, you mean John was not there. He was left out or excluded from the group. Now let's look at some examples of accept in sentences. First example, I accept your apology. This means I receive your apology and agree to forgive you. Second example, she accepted the job offer. This means she agreed to take the job that was offered to her. Third example, they accept donations. This means they receive donations from people who want to give money. Here are some examples of accept in sentences. First example, everyone came except John. This means all people came to the event, but John was not included. He was excluded. Second example, I like all fruits except durian. This means I like many fruits, but I do not like durian. Durian is the exception. Third example, it is open every day except Sundays. This means the place is open on Monday through Saturday, but it is closed on Sundays. Here is a helpful trick to remember the difference between these two words. In the word accept, look at the beginning. The letter A comes before the letter C, and C think of it like a check mark, which means yes or approval. Accept is about receiving and saying yes. In the word accept, look carefully. There is an X in the middle of the word. The X looks like a cross or a cancellation mark. Accept is about leaving something out or excluding it, like crossing it off a list. Now it is your turn to practice. I will give you 3 sentences with blanks. You need to fill each blank with either accept or accept. First sentence, I will blank all suggestions except yours. Second sentence, everyone is invited blank Tom. Third sentence, she does not eat meat but will blank fish. Pause the video and try to answer these questions. Then check your answers. First, accept. Second, accept. Third, accept. Great job practicing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.